Oh, we've got another sexy one here. It's a 1972 Chevy Nova SS for super sexy. Look at that tuxedo black mirror on four polished wheels. It's got a 350 motor under the hood, a four-speed, a Posi. Go to volocars.com. That's where you'll find 200 classic cars, all for sale. Each one will have a monthly payment and the price tag right on it, including this one. Now, if you want to scan the QR code, that'll bring you directly to this car. For right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, it's a mirror on wheels. Got the cowl hood absolutely straight. I mean, every inch of it is straight. The hood is square and flush the way it lines up. All clean, all straight. Beautiful, clean, straight fender all the way down the side of the car. Straight as a laser beam. Fits beautifully. All down here is all smooth, clean. Look at the reflection. Outstanding. All super sharp. The door fits like a brand new car. Shuts so nicely. The pillars, the roof, no issues. All straight. Coming down the sail panel, the quarter panel, all nice, clean, straight metal. I don't see any issues. All this is nice and clean. No cracking, no bubbling, nothing like that. All looking really sharp. Same thing on this side. Again, look at the reflection. You could read the phone book and the reflection of the paint. It's got a real nice stance, all beautiful. There's the rocker panels, like mirror. Again, the doors open and close just the way they should. The roof, the pillars, no cracking, no bubbling, no issues that I see anywhere. All beautiful black paint. And it's sitting on some 18-inch billet specialty wheels, a little bit thicker, fatter tire in the back. Again, it's got just the right stance. The emblems are sparkling. The marker lights are sparkling. All the trim up here looks like it was replaced. The lenses, the bumper, the grille. The windshield was replaced. The stainless moldings around it, even the wiper arms, all shiny. And the emblems, the mirrors are shiny. Back glass, I believe, was replaced. Well, I know it was replaced. And then coming around the back, it has the SS tail panel, bumper, emblem. Again, all that is slick, all replaced. Just a beautiful car. That's why I bought it. I seen the picture. It's like, oh, we got to get this one. Let's open it up. I'll show you the inside. All right. See how the trunk looks? Well, under the trunk lid was painted and they put the stickers on it, and the jamb is nice and clean. Weather strip is replaced. All solid metal inside with the spatter finish. Has a mat, has a jack. When you subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the bell icon. You'll be notified as new videos are posted. The jambs are clean. The weather strips were replaced. The interior is tidy as can be. Brand new door panels with the wood grain. I mean, the armrest, the window cranks, the handle, all of that had been replaced. Has a nice clean instrument panel area. Oh, the plastic looks good. Has a tachometer, new dash pad, heater control panel is replaced. Has a retro stereo, all in the factory holes. There's a plug-in right underneath here, and the cord's in the glove box for your auxiliary plug. GM Performance temperature and oil pressure gauges. And also in here, we got the owner's manuals, the sales brochure. There's that auxiliary cord, all nice and clean in there. The interior lights work. The vents work. The carpet fits beautifully. There's no wrinkles. It fits so nice. Also has carpeted mats. Here's the best part, the Hurst shifter. It's for a bench seat. It has the GM seat belts front and back. They look like they're probably reproduction. Real nice. All the upholstery is in excellent shape. The headrests were redone. Same thing in the back. The back seat, the side panels, all replaced. The rear shelf area was replaced, and it has the reproduction speaker grills. The headliner is tight as can be. We had the sail panels, they had some wrinkles. We just had those redone. But look how nice and tight it is. The light works. The visors are new. The mirror is new. And we have a new deluxe steering wheel on a tilt column. Very, very tidy, clean interior. So this is a Z28 motor. It's a 350, got a little bit hotter cam. It has a bow tie. We call it a Victor Jr. Edelbrock high-rise intake. Looks like a dual feed Holley carburetor hiding underneath the big dual snorkel air cleaner. HEI ignition in back. Dressed up with some nice finned aluminum valve covers. Has a set of Hedman headers. All that looks fresh. Firewall, fender wells, all look nice and clean. Has a Delco battery topper. Got a chrome cover over the aluminum radiator. And it's got the right shroud and new clutch fan. Looks like the alternator's new. And then we have power steering. And we have power brakes with the cadmium plated booster. The squirters are hooked up. It has the dust shields over the suspension, so it's pretty darn clean and complete. Michael's going to show you how nice it runs, and we'll see in a little bit.
All right, everybody. Nice little Nova here. Strong sound of 350 under the hood. Got a nice load to the cam there. Sounds great at idle. Started up easily for me. It's been running good ever since. Power steering and power brakes here. 4-speed manual with the bench seat. This is my kind of setup right here. Out on the private test track that has been plowed but not salted. Give a little punch up the hill here. No shortage of power. This one will do everything you want it to. Great car. I definitely encourage you to come test drive it if you'd like, when the weather permits, of course. You're always welcome here. And check out all the details at volocars.com.
So underneath of the car looks clean and proper. Was inspected by our shop, test driven. All the steering, suspension seems to be in good working condition. Has a real nice custom exhaust with electric dump, so you can open it up and really rock the neighborhood. And also has a crossover pipe and stainless steel MagnaFlow mufflers, so a nice exhaust system. Fuel tank and straps, they look brand new, and the ascending unit too. Has disc brakes in front, drum and back. The e-brake assembly is all hooked up. Floors look to be solid. You look up at the motor, has a custom oil pan, heavy duty scatter shield over the flywheel and clutch. The Muncie 4-speed looks really fresh, and so does the linkage, looks new. Has a 10-bolt rear end in back with 342 Posi gears, and it's got a nice chrome cover on it. So cool car, 350 4-speed Posi. The black, the stance, the wheels, that's what it's really got going on for itself. Just a head turner of a car. Go to volocars.com. Salesman can help answer your questions, including how to get this delivered to your door. If you need financing, they'll help with that too. Thanks for watching.